this is Antoinette from Smart Needle. Welcome to my channel. Today we're making something really special. So cute, super practical, and perfect for everyday life. Our brand new Patchwork Ruffle Cube pouch. This little rectangular beauty is not just adorable with those sweet ruffles by the zipper, but it is also designed to hold a lot of stuff. Because of its shape, everything sits side by side instead of piling up, which make it amazing for makeup, travel essentials, sewing notions, gifts, and so much more. It has a lovely thick texture feel that give it that boutique high quality look, and the best part is you can mix two different fabrics in one pouch, making every single one completely unique. And yes, you will get 4 hoop sizes included. So you can make the perfect size for whatever you need. And the beauty of this project is all done in one hooping, making it fun, efficient, and so satisfying to stitch. I will show you in this video step by step how you can make this pouch on your embroidery machine in about 22 minutes. Spacious, structure, and full of personality. This is the kind of pouch you want to make again and again for yourself, for gift, for craft shows, giveaways, wedding, and so much more. So let's get started. Okay, let's hoop one layer of tearaway stabilizer and run the first spool color over the stabilizer. Before I forget, I just want to let you know that all my embroidery machine can be stitched in a single needle embroidery machine or a multi-needle embroidery machine. Now we are going to put together 2 separate panels, each made with 2 layers of cotton batting and 2 layers of your chosen pattern fabric. Make sure the pattern fabrics are facing outward. Your panel piece should be slightly larger than the applique guideline we just stitched over the stabilizer. You can keep all the batting and fabrics together by adding a little bit of sprayed adhesive like I usually do. The first panel, the one that will cover the applique guideline over the stabilizer, will become the top part of the pouch, and the second panel will be the bottom of the pouch, which you will see along the video. Now keep running your machine for the next spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach that panel to the project. Then keep running your embroidery machine for the following spool color. It will start doing the checker pattern, like a quilting pattern, as the video shows. The following spool color will start doing the zipper applique guideline as the video shows. Make sure your zipper has plastic teeth because the embroidery machine will stitch over them at the end of the zipper. I highly recommend using the zippers you see in my video. They come in a long length that you can cut the size you need. The package includes multi-zipper colors and a lot of zipper pullers in different colors as well, so you can mix and match. You can even add 1 or 2 zipper pullers per zipper, which is really nice. In this project, I'm mixing colors and using double zipper pullers. This is just adorable. If you like this zippers package, they are available in my Amazon storefront linked right under the video descriptions. Now it is time to cut your zipper to the length you need. For the largest hoop size pouch, the size will be about 14 inches long, which is slightly longer than the wide side of the stabilizer guideline. And I'm going to mix and match the pink zipper with 2 light green zipper pullers as the video shows. To hold the zipper in place, I'm going to use wash away double-sided tape. It's amazing how easy and clean it is to secure the zipper with this tape. It makes the process so much simpler. Just make sure you remove the paper backing before laying down the zipper. If you like to try it, you can see it in my Amazon storefront, which is under the video description. Now we're going to put the 2 zipper pullers through the zipper. What I usually do is place 1 zipper puller side onto the one end of the zipper. just a little, just enough to hold it in place. Then I'll bring the other zipper end to the other side of the zipper puller. I hold both zipper ends with my fingers and then gently pull the zipper puller to slide it into place. Now we're going to place the whole zipper over the wash away double-sided tape as the video shows. Just press gentle with your fingers so the zipper can stick to the double-sided tape as the video shows. Now keep running your machine for the following spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach the zipper to the project. In this step, I highly recommend you to move the zipper pullers to the right or to the left depending where the machine is going through. That way the machine won't cut out with the zipper pullers. Also, these zippers might be wider than a regular zipper. What I do after the tack down stitch, I just trim any excess as the video shows. This step is totally optional. I am using wash away double-sided tape again to add lace or ruffle along the zipper edges. I personally love this detail because it adds such a cute decorative touch. But if you prefer a simple look, you can skip the next two spool colors and keep your zipper just plain. Now keep running your machine for the following spool color. It will do the tack down stitch to attach the lace to the zipper edges as the video shows. Now keep running your machine for the following spool color. It will start doing the satin stitch all around the edges of the zipper and the lace together. If you notice in this video, I'm moving the zipper pullers left or right depending of the machine passing through because I just don't want the machine to cut up with the zipper pullers. It's really simple. Now I just grab a piece of scrap fabric to make the side tabs of the pouch. I iron both long edges of the fabric inward to create a long tab. Then I add the swivel metal heart-shaped hooks to it. After that, I place one tab on each side of the zipper end and hold it in place with paper tape, just like you see in the video. Now we're going to take the second panel we did at the beginning of the video, and then we're gonna lay it down over the whole embroidery project as the video shows. Please remember that the second panel is the bottom of the pouch and the inside lining of the bag. Now keep running your machine for the next spool color. It will sew the tack down stitch to attach all the fabrics together. Then run your machine one more time for the last spool color. This step will stitch the corners cutting guidelines just like you see in the video. As you can see, it was very simple. Now you can unhook the whole project and then we're going to cut all around the tack down stitch, leaving about 1/4 inch seam allowance. Next, now we're going to cut the 4 square corners as you see in the video. Now we're going to remove the tear away stabilizer from behind the zipper as the video shows. Now, using your applique scissors, trim the pattern fabric and cotton batting until you reach the zipper area, just as I'm showing you in the video. Please make sure you do not cut the zipper. As you can see, the back of the zipper area is all clear. Now you can remove the tear away stabilizer, the remainings, as the video shows. It's just really simple. Now you can open the zipper pullers with your finger, and then we're going to clip the 4 corners as the video shows, so we can do the straight stitches to close the 4 corners of the pouch. Now we're going to do 4 straight stitches, one in each corner of the pouch. Just make sure you leave about 1/4 inch seam allowance. Very simple. You can do it with your sewing machine or you can do it by hand, whichever you prefer. As you can see here, I already stitched my 4 corners, leaving 1/4 inch seam allowance in each of them. Now it comes the best part. It's time to turn the whole pouch inside out. Here, take your time and shape those corners really well so the pouch can get that shape we are all looking for. And then remove the paper tape that was holding the metal hooks as the video shows. Oh my God, the pouch is coming beautifully. Now comes my favorite part, adding those special final details that make your pouch stand out. I like to add little charms or details to the zipper pullers, and I also attach a fox leather handmade tag just like you see in the video. Look how beautiful they turn out. Nice and puffy with such an amazing texture you can actually feel. They look absolutely stunning. I made 3 of them so you can really see how easy they are to make and how different each one looks just by choosing different fabrics and color combinations. Even though the design is the same, the personality of each pouch completely changes depending on your fabric choices, zipper colors, and little decorative details. That's what makes this project so much fun. Every single one comes out unique and special. The small details are just adorable, and the overall craftsmanship looks so professional and boutique style. And the best part, all is done in just one hooping, which means you can make many of these bags in a short amount of time. They are fast, satisfying, and perfect for making multiples for yourself, gift, or even craft shows. Here I am showing you how much you can fit inside your pouch. It is surprisingly roomy and everything stays easy to see and grab. Thanks to the rectangular shape, your item is spread out side by side instead of piling on top of each other. That means no more digging around to find what you need, whether it's makeup, travel items, sewing notion, or small essentials. Everything has its own little space, making this pouch not only cute, but incredibly functional for everyday use and travel. Now it is time for our sweepstake giveaway. I am giving away a package of 12 swivel heart-shaped metal hooks for your pouch, 3 yards of beautiful lace, and a package of smart needle pastel colors embroidery thread for all of your project's needs. I can't wait to see your fabric pouches combinations. To enter, just leave a comment below. No purchase necessary. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and you have notifications turned on so you will know who's the winner, because it might be you. Giveaways close on February 10th at midnight Pacific Standard Time. One winner will be selected at random. The winner will be announced in future videos. The winner must respond within 7 days to claim the prize, and this giveaway is not sponsored, endorsed, or administered by YouTube. Good luck to everyone, and thank you so much for participating. I hope you have fun stitching this adorable project with me and feel inspired to make your own beautiful pouch combination. These little details and fabric choices really make every piece special and unique. Thank you so much for stitching along with me today. It truly means the world to me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the Smart Needle channel so I can keep creating more embroidery video tutorials for all of you to enjoy. Stay cozy, stitch a lot, be creative, have fun, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.